Here's how you can get black skin color in Roblox mobile. So the first step is you have to open up any browser that you are using and you just have to log in with your account in which you want to do this process. So once you are done, you just have to make sure to request the desktop site. For that, tap on the three dots or tap on this double A icon and tap on request desktop site. Now tap on three bars on the top left and you just have to go for avatar. Once you are in, you just have to scroll to the right side and tap on head and body, and you just have to make sure to select the skin tone. Now by default this will give you some minimum options. So to go with the black skin color, you just have to tap on advanced settings on the bottom right. And now as you can see, this is the pitch black, so you just have to tap on this and tap on done button. After that, as you can see, our avatar has been successfully changed its color. So that was the process of how you can get black skin color in Roblox mobile.